Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube Shorts as normal videos using the normal video player on both mobile as well as PC. If you watch a lot of shorts, you know you can't rewind or things like that, but if you watch it in the normal video player, you can. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's jump right into it. All right, I'm going to first show you how to do it on PC or desktop and then show you how to do it on mobile. So on PC, I'm going to head over to YouTube. And then we're going to head over here to the left to Shorts. Of course, these are where all the shorts are playing. Now, all you have to really do is hit pause on the short, head over to Library. And as you can see in our History tab, there is the video we just watched, the short. And if we click it here, as you can see, now the short is playing in the normal video player where we can rewind it, or things like that. So now I'll show you how to do it on mobile. Okay everyone, we're currently on my phone, so it's a little different on a mobile device versus desktop, but it's pretty easy and I'll show you how to do it here. So of course you're going to want to have the YouTube app installed and launch it on your phone. Once it's launched, you're going to want to click the Shorts icon here on the bottom to go into Shorts, and then now we have Shorts playing, but they're in the Shorts format. So what you're going to want to do is any video that you want to watch on mobile in the normal video player, you're going to want to have to hit the like button to like the video. Once it's liked, you're going to want to head down in here to the Library tab, select Library, and then down here to Liked Videos. And as you can see, here's the video that we just watched that I gave it a like. That was a short. We're going to click it. And as you can see, now it is playing in the normal video player where we can rewind it, things like that. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.